Hello bachcho, so let's see the question. The magnetic field of the earth can be modeled by that of a point dipole placed at the center of the earth. The dipole axis make an angle of 11.3 degree with the axis of the earth. At Mumbai, the declination is nearly zero. Then your first option says the declination varies between 11.3 degree west to 11.3 degree east. Your second option says the least declination is 0 degree. The third option says the plane defined by the dipole axis and the earth axis passes through Greenwich. And your fourth option says the declination averaged over the earth must be always negative. So for this part, we know that if we observe the earth, then we know, like, we have this earth. This is the axis of the earth. Okay. If this is the axis of the earth, this is the geographical axis. Okay, then we have this magnetic axis. Let me draw it with the another color. We have this one. Okay, and we say that the magnet is placed along like this. Okay, so we used to say that the magnet is placed like this. Okay, so we have this magnetic axis, right? This is magnetic axis. So let me erase the magnet and let us focus on the axis part only. Okay, so the angle between the magnetic axis and the geographical axis is 11.3 degree always. Okay, so you can say that this value remains the fixed and the value is of 11.3 degree. Okay, so from here you can say that the declination varies from 11.3 degree west to the 11.3 degree east. Now this depends on the observation. Okay, so now if you have another scenario in which if you are considering the geographical axis like this, then this will be your magnetic axis, and here you have 11.3 degree. Okay, so in this case you have angle as 11.3 degree west. Okay, so it is in the west direction, and here you have 11.3 degree east since it is in the east direction. So actually the variation of this declination varies from 11.3 degree west to the 11.3 degree east. Now that depends on the observation part, right? So from where you are doing your observation, that all depends on it. But overall, the main point which we have is the declination angle is 11.3 degree. Okay, so जो declination angle होगा वो 11.3 डिग्री ही होगा. वेस्ट से ईस्ट वाला पार्ट जो है वो डिपेंड करता है ऑब्जर्वेशन पे कि आप ऑब्जर्वेशंस कहां से कर रहे हो. सो यहाँ पे मैंने दोनों ऑब्जर्वेशंस बना दिए हैं, दोनों के हिसाब से मैंने डिफाइन कर दिया है कि यहाँ पे वेस्ट की तरफ आप डिफाइन कर रहे थे इसको और यहाँ पे आप ईस्ट की तरफ डिफाइन कर रहे हो, तो आपने बोला कि भाई ईस्ट की तरफ ये वाला हो सकता है. गॉट इट? Your first A option is absolutely correct here, and I hope you got the concept of this question. All the very best.